No, Mommy already did Sissy.
Brayden, back out, babe.
Back out, dude.
Back out.
I know, she'll get it. Brayden, back out, please.
Hey, who's in there? Who's in there? Callie's in the cat house.
No, stop.
No. Callie's in the cat house. She doesn't want to let go.
Let go of take your arm out.
Callie's in the cat house. She's coming out. There she comes.
Callie's in the cat house.
Okay, that's a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Can you get in there, Brayden?
He will get stuck, and there's no way to pull that thing apart. All of them in their little footy pajamas. Dad hates footy pajamas.
You gotta cut the feet off. They all got them though. It's like, look at him, man.
Yep. Yeah, all you.